Welcome back, guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to share with you my idea about ALT, Altlayer, and finally I bought this token. Let's dive in. Guys, you remember my main idea for this token, so it's initiation accumulation pump model on the daily time frame. Now on the screen you can see the monthly time frame, but all zones absolutely relevant. So all idea explain it in details, the logic, why I weighted that targets, and yesterday I posted on Twitter. So highly recommend you follow account on Twitter. Link will be under the description below, because in Twitter I can share them some actions, faster than on Telegram, because in Telegram I don't want to make a mess with a lot of posts. Some ideas, some thoughts I share just quickly on Twitter. So guys, yesterday it was the purchase of Altlayer around 0.68. So around this area I bought the Altlayer. I bought by market, so I'm not at the limit orders. The logic of that entry, it's absolutely, for me personally, logical, and with many reasons why I do this now. Because you remember I explained you the targets for Altlayer here since the listing. So the listing, it's not random, guys, so don't need to write in the comments, you just post random things. No, guys, everything absolutely after listing. It was even the year ago. Imagine, year ago I market that zones, my personal zone of interest. And if you determine the zone of interest correctly, you can just weight these targets. You don't need to redraw the chart. You don't need to pretend the expert, the genius in social media, just because you need to bring more engagement, right, to your channel or so. I totally don't care if this video is 100 views like a year ago or 1,000 views. Absolutely don't care. I just share my ideas on my personal vlog. Some ideas can be right, some ideas can be wrong, and it's more than okay. And if you find this information useful, you can just subscribe this channel. If you don't like this channel, just unsubscribe and find another channel. It's pretty simple, guys. So the idea was still relevant. So for me personally, so this was initiation accumulation pump model. We pump it and stop it at on a Binance in March 2024 at 69.50, and the zone of accumulation on market, so it's start at 16.44, 12.70. If you bought it here, your next purchase could be here in this block. So for example, you buying here, so 3 limit orders, right? Your entry now could be like 11 cents. The targets, it's way higher for Altlayer. In validation of this idea, it's dump on the listing price on the Binance is 0.206. Is it possible? So my yesterday purchase can be wrong? Yes, of course. And now we work with proper money management, not only with the risk management, with the money management. So I mean, you have to invest that money what you can afford to invest in assets, not just buying here and wait to the moon. No, I'm ready to see something like this one, because I totally understand I'm on risky, high risky financial market, crypto space, and any token can move like this one. Create like this move, another deep, and another deep, and another deep. After one deep, we can see another 90%. So that's the point, guys. Never say never, and work with proper risk management. And you have to be ready for any case scenario. Don't listen, please, all of that stupid gurus who shill you just buy the deep and wait. No, it's a stupid strategy, right? You have to make a deal with yourself. Why you want to buy these assets? So make a deal with yourself. So my point of view for Altlayer, I'm ready to see that drop. I'm ready to see the invalidation of idea. Next step where I will be personally comfortable pressed buy again is this one. It's 5 cents, 0.52. This one and this one. So I add alert and this one. Here we drop it down here. I bought it some amount here in September, then I out of Altlayer around 12 cents after 100% profit. So guys, I'm not shill you, I'm in always at the bottom, out always at the top. No, my entry was around here and I'm out after around 87, 89%. I'm out of Altlayer. And after that, I mark my zones where I would like to buy this again. And there was a lot of reasons why we will drop to this level, because we live here. I already explained to you. We live the crazy liquidity pools. So this one, this one, this one, this one. So it was like equal lows, right? And the downtrend, uptrend. And everybody who traded classic TA, you know, they draw the trend line like this one or like this one. So of course it's a fake out. It's a fake out. No, it's not countable. And then when we drop, it's also fake out, and then we crash it down. And the people shift the trades into bearish one, but it's a trap. So guys, it's on this channel, it's always more about the logic. And I'm ready to see that drop down. I'm ready. Because I can't know the future. Nobody can know the future. Now the people, some people can draw the head and shoulder pattern, right? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So we should dump like to 0 to add 1 0 on Altlayer. Is it possible? Yes. Will I be happy with this one? No. So it's pretty simple, guys. So I bought Altlayer based on my plan. So I waited my targets and I bought this token. All right, so this is a still zone of accumulation. All of this zone, it's 7, 10, 37, 5 cents. Can we drop lower? Yes. So just in case, guys. And I would like to show you what's going on with my custom set. So what next? I'm waiting for Altlayer. This is a compression. This compression, bearish one. This is also order flow. So sooner or later, believe it or not, but most likely we will go and close all of that zones. It means this block will be more than okay to fix some profit. And after that, new all-time high. You can open, if you're new on this channel, you can open, watch the tutorial, you can watch the educational video how to work with this model, guys. But of course, if you're new on this channel, you have to know there's no model in the world, no strategy in the world, which will play out 100% correct all the time. We work only with possibilities. If there's some model or strategy which work 100% win rate, right? Nobody will share this idea with you or a strategy. And this guy could be the richest guy in the world because he can be even the Elon Musk, right? So the next steps is, of course, if you purchased this yesterday also, you can, after 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit here after sweep of this high and leave free tokens. If you just wait the middle term targets, so here 500% is going to be the conservative price target. Next step is new all-time high around 1000%. I think the Altlayer can be at least over than this high. How high and where we're going to stop, nobody knows. That's why now, guys, we work only with this zone. Only with this zone. Initiation, accumulation, pump model. Invalidation, you know, if you're not ready to see minus 90% from these current prices, don't press buy. Pretty simple. Let's take a look on the weekly time frame with my customer set. And guys, once again, just work with the proper analysis. Don't need to redraw the lines, redraw the zones every single time. You know, or watch a million videos, you know, to try and find some magic here. ADZ direction market move. We on the middle line. It's good. We are in capitulation zone. Imagine on a weekly time frame. All of that time it was a Euphoria. This is a capitulation. Nobody care about the Altlayer. So can we drop lower on ADZ? Of course we can. Easily. But this is definitely not a distribution zone on ADZ. I highly recommend you also use this set because it's give you a lot of additional information what the market makers do now. So here, accumulation 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row accumulation. So here, they needed time. So since June 2024, the whales accumulate. Where? They start accumulate exactly at the first zone of interest, 16 cents. Here's accumulation, here's accumulation. So in average, the average entry could be like 10 cents. So at 20 cents, when they sweep this high, we can see the correction. Because they most likely withdraw initial deposit, like they did here at 20 cents, 87. Guys, so always build the logic, what's going on the chart. Trade on weekly, no data, daily. Here, yesterday we got a signals to buy. But I remind you guys, you can't trade just by one single indicator or so, because a lot of people just chase, when they see these indicators, they just chase, oh, only this one, trade on. I need that signal, buy and sell. Guys, you will lose all your money. Because if you just want to trade by indicator, you will lose all your money. Indicators, it's a tool, additional tool, which give you additional information, more information to make your own decision. It's useful information, so value information, right? Data. But you can't trade because indicators can't know the context. They can't know what's going on in the world now. They can't track the FOMC meetings, rate decision. They can't know the Elon Musk posts. They can't know the geopolitics, what's going on in the world with wars, with economy in China, for example. They can't know. They just give you the data, what you can use and adjust and integrate in your trading strategy. Last time it was 37%. And after pump, we got a recommendation close position and we dump 59. So if you're not ready to see, for example, another 59% drop to 4 cents, guys, just don't click the bottoms. Also here was signal to buy. We pump like 37%. People say, oh, it's not enough. It's only 37%. The problem with initial deposit, if you got 100K, so 30%, it's 30K. So you understand, right? In a few days. So the problem is not with coins. The problem with not enough money on your balance. So that's a problem, guys. So here was a signal to close all position on the daily time frame, short position, signal to buy. Can we drop lower? Yes, we can. Easily. The last indicator is take profit. Take profit on the daily. There's no, I guess, yes, there will be the data. So here, we almost touch the fundamental value of this token. So that time we drop on the fundamental value, test the fundamental value, bounce, reject at the exit line, take profit and exit line. Drop it down again, almost touch it the fundamental value. 6 cents, almost round number, it's fundamental value of Altlayer now. Take profit now, it's 16.21. So let's say if my entry around here, I can fix 134% and I will be more than happy. If 134% for you it's not enough, once again, work on your capital. Work on the deposit, what you can work with, right? So not chase 10,000% gains just because the crypto pump it in 2017. No, it doesn't work like this one. 12-hour time frame, here. We try and hold a line, the buy line, so it's good. So also, I share with you the weekly time frame, the same story on the 12-hour time frame. Everything is just a pattern, everything is just an algorithm. So these things can happen on 12-hour time frame. We start build in theory the structure uptrend, right? And that the same things will be on weekly time frame. So you can find out this identical charts. Identical chart on weekly, the same story on 12-hour time frame. And the same story on 1-hour time frame. So everything absolutely the same. So guys, all targets relevant. I made my own decision and I bought the Altlayer yesterday. So yes, now I'm in profit, but the main target is here. I can add easily alert and wait. 37, 40, 51 and new all-time high. Am I ready so we not hit the new all-time high? Yes, it's okay. In April, May, I will track by timing what I will do with Altlayer. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check the video about Altlayer what I posted after listing so you understand the logic. If you want to trade with my customer care, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.